with articles, PDFs, case studies. Don't be the guy or gal that just sends those over. I've attached a recent case study from HubSpot with the 25 different reasons why you need to do business with me. Say, I got something that is affecting everybody, but nobody's talking about it. I just want to make sure you're aware of it. You can as reference. I mean, like I just saw a thing on HubSpot about this, right? Costs are going up. It's hard to do this. Here's what nobody's talking about, though. And then throw in your own little sizzle. But I'd rather have that be a bi-directional communication. The more you send in one-way traffic, in an email, in a text message, the more likely it is for them just to go, got it, or not reply at all. If I speak it to Cal and then say to Cal, how are you dealing with that? Cal's got to give me an answer or hang up on me, right? Which he won't. Cal, don't hang up on me. Nobody's hung up on me on that one. But those are your only two options, correct? You have to give me an answer or go, I'm losing you. I'm going in a tunnel, and hang up on me. It won't happen. So that's why I'd rather never send the insight over in something they can read, because they're just going to be better off, but then not have any discussion with you.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.